by the open shell at the end of Woodland Dell. If Butterfields and Baker says it's just as well, it will be just as well. I hate the way you dream of getting old. So what did you come here for? To mucky up the object floor. Butterfields and Bakers isn't just some store. It is so much more. I love the way they dream of getting old. They dream of getting old. So when you leave the old estate, meet me by the Woodland Gate. 'Cause Butterfields and Bakers makes you demonstrate on the other man.